a math journal problem. If you have a piece of paper and a pencil, you can do it with me. If not, you know that you can use your magic finger and draw on the table or on your leg or in the air. Let's read the problem first. Draw 6 balls. The boy kicked 3 balls down the hill. How many balls does he have left? So the 6 balls are already drawn. Let's make sure we didn't make a silly mistake. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we drew 6 balls already. Now how many did the boy kick down the hill? That's right, 3. So how can we show that the balls went down the hill? I'm going to put an X over 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. So these went down the hill. So does the boy have those balls with him anymore? No, they left. His number got smaller. How many balls does he have left? So let's count the ones without an X. 1, 2, 3. He has 3 balls left. His number got smaller because these went down the hill. He doesn't have those anymore. He only has these 3 left.
Hello everyone, back again with our 10 frame. What number do you see on our 10 frame? You should know quickly. Yes, 10. This is a 10 frame, so we know automatically we're looking at 10 pebbles. Now watch what happens. I'm going to add one more. What did I just do? I added. Now how many do we have now? We already know we have 10. And if I add one more, how many do we have? 11. So remember, when you're adding, the numbers will get larger. And when we write this, we could write 10 plus one more gives us 11. Now watch what happens if I take it away. What did I just do? I just subtract. I took it away. Because when you take away something, it's no longer there. It is subtracting. How many do we have now? Since I took that pebble away, we have what? 10. So if I were to write that number problem, it would be 10. Take away. How many did we take away? 1, because it's no longer there. All right, my friends. Now, was it 10 take away 1? Or was it 11 take away 1? Miss Scott was trying to trick you. It was 11. Because remember, 11 was here, and then I took it away. So it can't be 10. It was 11. Then I took away 1. So it's 11 minus 1.
Hey guys, it's time to play Beat the Teacher. Today we're going to work on team numbers, and we know that team numbers start with the number 1, and also we will see 20, and we know that when we do 20s that they start with the number 2. So let's see if you can beat me. But first, remember, we're going to do the top row together. Ready? 14, 18, 12, 11, 13, 15, 17, 16, 20, 19. Great job. Are you ready? Here we go. 13, 17, 18, 20, 15, 19, 12, 14, 16, 11, 19, 12, 15, 17, 20, 11, 14, 16, 18, 13, 16, 15, 20, 19, 11, 17, 13, 18, 15, 12, 12, 16, 17, 19, 18, 14, 20, 15, 13, 11, 20, 17, 14, 16, 12, 19, 18, 11, 15, 13. Great job, guys. Keep practicing.
Hello, everyone. I have this sheet in front of me, and of course, you do not have it. So please do not worry about not having it. I want you to focus and pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay? And parents, if your child is having difficulty, please shoot us a message on Dojo and we can send more videos on this same topic. Okay? So just follow along, boys and girls, and don't worry if you don't have anything to draw with. These squares represent cube sticks. Now remember, cube sticks is a word that you'll see probably later on in school, but we're going to use 10 frames like we've been using in tens. So don't worry about this word just yet. We're going to use 10 frames and tens. It says, look at the linking cube sticks, or look at the linking 10 frame or tens. Draw a line from the cube stick to the number bond that matches. So here's our 10 frame, and these are our number bonds, and we have to match them. Fill in the number bond if it is not complete, and some are not. So we have to make sure you're focused so we can match them, match the 10 frame to the correct number bond. Let's look at the first number bond. We have some here that are shaded and some that are not. Let's count how many boxes are shaded. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 are shaded. And how many are not? 1, 2. 2 are not. Now, if you look, 8 mean 8 are shaded. How many are not? 2. So we need to make sure we are finding a number bond that shows the number shaded and the number not shaded. We know we're working with tens, so we're going to look at our number bond and see if we can find our numbers. 8, and I see here 8 that are shaded, and what will go here? 2. So we're going to connect from this 10 frame to this frame, this number bond, and these are a match. Let's look at our next 10. We have how many that are shaded in? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of this 10, 9 are shaded in. How many are not? 1. So when we look, we have 9. And how many are not shaded? 1. So we can say 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. We're not doing subtraction, but if I wanted to say that, of course that could be a problem, but we're doing 9 and 1. That gives us 10. Now we're going to find these numbers on our number bonds. Let's see. We have a 9 and a 1. Oh, let's look. Do we have a number bond with 9? Yes, we do. Right down here. And 9, and we said 1 gives us how much? 10. Now I'm going to take our 10 frame and we're going to make that match and draw that line. Okay, now let's keep going. Oh, let's look at this one. This 10 has 1, 2, 3 shaded in. So I'm going to put 3. So I know that's 3. And then look at all these not shaded in. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 that are not shaded in. Now we're going to find that number. So we know 3 and 7 give us 10. Do we have a number bond that have parts 3 and 7? You know we've done those two. We have a 7 and a 3. So we're going to take our dot beside our number bond on top and match it to that line, to that 10. Now let's look at our last one. How many are shaded here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are not shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5. So 5 are shaded and 5 are not. So 5 and 5 give us 10. The only one left is right here. So we're going to draw our line from our number bond to our 10 frame. There we go.
Thanks for joining us, mathematicians. And remember, practice your math problems, practice adding and subtracting, and have a great day.